Did you just recently move into a new house or apartment and really want to customize it and make it your own? Hello and welcome, my name is Ashley and I'm a disabled YouTuber who's really into fashion and interior design. I have a whole playlist dedicated to interior design where I'm currently making my own virtual apartment complex. If you'd like one of your apartments in my apartment complex, all you need to do is comment down below what you want the inside of your apartment to look like and I will customize it for you. Being visually impaired, I see the world a little differently from how you do. When it comes to looking at a room or an outfit, I take it in individually, which means that I can notice changes that you may have made to your home, but I can also do a lot more than that. When you look at a room, you take it in all at once. Maybe you miss something, or maybe you don't really see the changes that have been made. Whereas because I know that place and I know how it's supposed to look because I take it in individually, I can just go straight to what is different. My eyes just naturally go to what is different. If it's a really small object, obviously I'm not going to notice it, but if it's something big that you've done that's changed the layout of your home, then yes, I am going to notice it. And for me, when it comes to buying a new home, if you didn't know, I recently moved into a new house. One of the reasons that I moved into this new house is because of the layout of it. I really love the layout, especially this really big living room. I think it's really great for someone with a vision impairment and with cerebral palsy, and because I have both, for me, this is a great home because there's just so much space and it's really easy to move around in, and that's why I love it. I've done a lot to customize it and make it my own and make it feel like my home. And I've made an entire video on it, so I will link that down below so that you can go and check that out. I have vlogs on so many different things as well when it comes to showing you how I do things with a disability and just the behind the scenes of stuff that happens on this channel. So if you want to see any videos early or anything like that, or you want to see what I get up to in a day, please go and check out my vlog channel as well. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through some ways that you can turn your house or apartment into your home, through some shopping tips and some decor tips. So let's just get straight into it. One of the first things that you can do to customize your home is to take a look at yourself. I feel like a lot of the time our personality is shown through the things that we put in our house, whether that's small little ornaments or even just like our bedspread or different colors that we use. It's all to do with our personalities and who we are. So when it comes to designing the interior of your home, one of the first things that you can do is look at yourself and look at your personality and see how you can incorporate that into your home and your living space. The next tip is furniture. What furniture can you incorporate to make it feel like your home? There are so many different furniture options, whether you go with something really simple or something more complex or something that's more fancy is up to you and up to your personality. But it's all about finding a way to find budgeted furniture, so furniture that is not as expensive but still looks amazing, and there are so many things that you can do to add your personality to something like that. So for me, when I first got started, a lot of the furniture that I brought to this new house was already furniture that I had purchased back when I lived in the little unit on my parents' property. So when I moved out of my bedroom into that unit, I obviously bought a lot of furniture for that unit, and then when I moved here, I brought a lot of that furniture with me whilst also buying new furniture for this place. And I feel like I found a way to incorporate the furniture that I already had into the new furniture that I bought. So I took a look at the furniture that I already had and I found ways to change it up and match it to the furniture that I had bought for this place. Whether that's just adding small bits and pieces like rugs or pillows or other things like that that can turn a boring old couch into something beautiful, or you can take a brand new bed and put on a beautiful bedspread and there you have something different and new. It's all about finding ways to take existing furniture and mixing that with new furniture and finding a way to make your house beautiful and make it unique and make it you. So once you know who you are and how to incorporate that into your home, as well as just buying up new furniture or taking old furniture with you and customizing it, there you have some ways to really make it special and make it feel like your home. But there's still so many other things that you can do to customize your home if you're on a budget, or other ways to change up the decor and make it something really special and make it feel like your home. For me, I tried to keep it pretty simple, just taking a look at myself and who I was and who I wanted to be, and taking a look at the furniture that I already purchased from my other house and how I could add to that furniture to make it more customizable to the new person I was becoming. And one of the ways that I did that was by looking at houses. I looked at so many houses and tried to find one that just spoke to me. I would walk in the door, I would look at different homes, and I'd just be like, I don't know if this feels like my home. Like, these are all beautiful houses, but they don't really feel like my home. Or these are all beautiful apartments or units or whatever, but they don't feel like my home. So once you walk into a place, you just kind of know, you get that feeling inside of you that's like, I'm home. And if you don't get that, then just keep on looking, because you will find it. And for me, this place was that place. I walked in it and straight away I was like, yep, I'm home. Like, this is perfect. This is what I've been looking for. And then when I moved in, I was so excited. I found new ways to customize this place and make it feel like my home by taking my old furniture with me. That kind of changed up this place, as well as buying new furniture like my new bed and other things like that, that just made it special and unique. And for me, living in that unit on my parents' place was getting really difficult for me, so I needed a change, and I was so excited to move here where I could just have more freedom and be more independent, and that was really important to me. So by having new furniture mixed with old furniture, I could kind of become a new person and become a new version of myself that I liked better, and that was something really special to me. And I feel like that only comes by finding the perfect house or perfect home for you. And nothing will be perfect. Nothing will be perfect. Like, there is still things about this place that I would like to change, but it's all about finding a way to be like, yes, I'm home. Like, this place isn't perfect, but it feels perfect to me and I love it. So taking that mentality and then adding in your furniture that makes it feel like home, as well as adding new furniture that still feels like you, is really important to customize your house or your apartment and make it feel like your home. And like I said, the different ways that you can do that are with the decor and with the way that you design your home. Obviously, you can't really change the exterior of it, but you can change the interior. So if you can find a home that just feels like you and you love the interior of it, or the exterior of it even, but there's still some things you'd like to change, take what you can change and make it yours, and take what can't be changed and flip it until you understand that, yes, it's not perfect, but it's your house, it's your home, and it feels special to you, and it feels like your special place. So like I said, the easiest way to do that is with furniture and with decor, whether that is just getting little plants or getting photos on your walls or other things that are special to you and putting them in different places in your house that really speaks to you. When you see it, you're like, oh yeah, this is like why I'm doing this. Or when you sit on the couch, it feels like you're sitting on your couch, it feels like your home. Or when you lie in your bed, it's like, yes, this is my bed. And you know, it will always take a little while to adjust to a new house. Like, it's not going to feel like your house straight away, but if you can find that house that feels like a home when you walk into it, then you're halfway there. And once you add in all the furniture and other decor that really makes it your home, then there you have your own home, your special place, and it feels like the place that you want to be. So that is my advice to you. Just take a look at the furniture, take a look at yourself, and take a look at who you want to be in this new place, and find a way to customize it, whether that's just with the existing furniture that you have, buying new furniture, or a mixture of both, and then adding in other things like paintings or pictures or little ornaments or plants or whatever else to make it feel like your home and your place that is special to you. And hopefully, if you're lucky, you will have found your perfect place. Like I said, no place is perfect, but if you can get that feeling of home when you walk through the door, and if you take my advice and do everything that I said when it comes to finding a way to incorporate who you are into it, then you really will feel home. No home is perfect, but if you can find a way to customize it, then that house will become your home. If you are moving into a new home and looking for new furniture to make it your own place, I hope that this video helped you to find a way to incorporate yourself into it and make it feel like your home. If this video did help you, then please leave a like, share this video with your friends if you'd like to. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified every time I upload a new video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!